Hello there. Today I wanted to show you some items I bought recently at the Ashford Festival of Railway Modelling, 6th and 7th of April this year. So I've been getting more interested in British HO scale modelling. This is quite rare, quite hard to find. There are a couple of companies in the 1970s who produced British designs in HO. So one of them was Jouef, more specifically Jouef for Playcraft. And here we have a Mk1 coach in British Rail, blue and grey, light grey. As you can see, it's fairly basic. There are no numbers or anything on it. It has some interior detail. This is an open second class or standard class coach. Couplings I learnt are called pico couplings, a bit different to the tension lock couplings I'm used to, as most of my sets are. Trains and models are using the tension lock couplings. So I got one of these. Matching this, I got a Jouef corridor mixed first and second composite class. Again with the this one has a Jouef hook and loop coupling at one end, a tension lock coupling, I'm sorry, and the pico coupling at the other end. So got a little sticker here. I can hopefully pull this off without leaving a mark. These stickers are always sometimes irritating. There we go. So we have two Jouef Mk1 coaches in British Rail, blue and light grey. Also in this job lot, I got another pair of Jouef coaches, this time in British Rail maroon. Now these do have numbers. This one has a Midland Region number M4372 with pico couplings at each end. And also, this is a slightly different model. The first class, this is a standard class model. First class with a missing bogie. However, this does have the underframe piece, whereas the second class is missing the underframe piece. So, yeah, something for spares, something I could hopefully find another bogie for, a Jouef bogie. I've got a feeling that any continental Jouef coaches and bogies probably would fit this. We have another sticker on here, £8. I didn't pay exactly. Well, that's kind of difficult to take off. I'll do that later. I didn't pay exactly. I got everything in a job lot. Also, the final item in this lot is actually a Lima HO Mk1 coach. This time W for the Western region, and this is slightly better detailed than the Jouef ones, I think. If you compare, let me just move some things around. If we directly compare the Jouef standard class, see the windows are a different shape, the length is slightly different. I would say that the Lima one is probably more accurate. Just for comparison, I previously got a Lima Mk1 coach in LMS colours. This actually never existed because these are designs from British Railways, and British Railways was created in 1948. These are 1950s designs of coaches, so this is actually non-prototypical. Actually, there's a slight difference here. The windows are slightly smaller. See, the ends are slightly different as well. By comparison, I have a 00 gauge Lima coach, pretty much the same as the HO. You can see how different the size is. It's much shorter. It's a bit difficult to see with the perspective on the camera, but it's much smaller as well. So this is my interest in a rather niche area, which is HO British model trains. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.